Zimbabwean military to hold televised briefing. Zanu-PF removed Robert Mugabe as its president and first secretary on Sunday after the military seized power last week. OHANNESBURG, Zimbabwe's state broadcaster ZBC has reportedly been put on standby for an expected address by the military. Monday afternoon's statement is due to be delivered a day after President Robert Mugabe failed to announce his resignation to an expectant nation. Earlier, a prayer session was held in Harare. Protest pastor Evan Nwarier spoke to the crowd, saying, "We want a Zimbabwe without oppression, evil, corruption and a dictator." Zanu-PF has drawn up its draft impeachment motion ahead of Monday afternoon's discussion on removing the 93-year-old leader after he missed the noon deadline to step down. The ruling party removed Mugabe as its president and first secretary on Sunday, capping a dramatic week after the military seized power last week, saying it wanted to remove criminal elements around the president.